Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to another Creative Corner Series episode. Today we are going to be working on an environmental recycled art piece, kind of honoring and raising awareness for Earth Day, which is later on this week. And stay tuned, we have a special Crafty Kids presentation for that day too as well. But before we get started with today's workshop, let's go over some of the supplies we'll be using. I do have a variety of supplies that I found here and there throughout our library inventory. So we have quite a few selection of construction paper that we can utilize. And a couple weeks ago we did splatter leaf painting. So I do have some extra leaves from that too as well. I have a variety of plastic bottle caps that we've scavenged and saved over the past few years. And then I do have a few oak leaves too, a pair of scissors, plenty of Sharpie markers, a hot glue gun, and the canvas panel that we are going to be working on is this 12-inch by 12-inch size canvas panel. And if you are interested, we do have some available through our curbside checkout services. So you'll receive this 12-inch by 12-inch wood canvas panel, and then instructions, what to do, how to view this class, and then some recommended or suggestive supplies. So if you wanted to, you can use aluminum cans, cardboard, paper, just anything you would like to use as long as it's from recycled items. Thank you for joining me on today's Creative Corner session. Today we worked on an environmental recycled art piece. So here is my final product. I have a lot of bottle caps of various colors. So one representing the ocean, two representing Earth with the green, clouds, and then of course the sun. So overall, the piece is to depict that we as humans pollute our Earth with a lot of plastic, and quite recently with all of our face masks. So the easiest thing to do is reduce, reuse, recycle. And because it is also Lawn and Garden Month, you can try composting for your garden too as well. So do what you can. It is Earth Day this week, so try to be conscious about what you throw out, what can be recycled, reduced, and reused. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to all of our social media. We have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and so much more. And if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to give us a call. Thank you again. My name is Josh, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.